Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So since we've been spending a lot of time in our homes lately, the walls in my house has been feeling a little bare, and so I wanted to hang up some artwork and even some photos. And today I'm going to share with you how I made this really cute boho magnetic hanging frame using some Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree. So for the base of this, I am going to use just some scrap cardboard that I have laying around, and I'm going to cut it to size. So I end up cutting 4 strips of cardboard out, and each one of them measures 8.5 inches by 1/2 inch wide. Okay, so these are the Jenga blocks that you can find in the toy aisle of the Dollar Tree, and I think they're great raw materials for any craft project. So I'm just going to remove all of the brown blocks and then keep all the pine blocks because I like the way it looks. So what I do next is I lay down some hot glue on the cardboard strip, and then I stagger the blocks right on top of the glue. So for this, I do recommend using a hot glue gun just because we're adhering the wood to the cardboard. But once you start gluing the wood together like I'm doing right here, you can use wood glue. I just didn't have any at the time, but I'm just going in between each block to really secure it. And honestly, it's been a month now and I haven't had any issues with the picture frame. And I also live in a very humid place as well. So yeah, hot glue works just fine. So on the back of this, I am going to attach some magnets. I do a magnet on each end and then one in the middle. I didn't want to do a whole strip just because magnets can be a little costly. I will link down below my Amazon link to where I got these specific ones because I think they're very, very strong. Sometimes if you buy like craft magnets, they can be a little too on the wimpy side. So next, with the second piece of cardboard, I am just adding magnets to that, and this is going to be the back side to the frame. Essentially, your picture is going to go in between both of these cardboard pieces, and it's going to act as a sandwich to hold your picture in place. Okay, so to hang this up, I'm going to need to attach some strings, and to do that, I am just drilling a little hole on each end of the picture frame. And then I screw in 2 little cup hooks on each end of the picture frame. Now using one of my favorite materials from the Dollar Tree, it would be the twine here. And I am going to just cut out a small piece and I'm going to tie it to the cup hook. Now this next bit is totally optional. You can macrame it or you can do what I'm doing here. I'm just adding beads to the twine and then I attach it to the other end of the cup hook. One little extra element here, I am going to make some pom poms using the Dollar Tree twine. So I cut out a piece of cardboard that is 1.5 inches wide. Doesn't matter the length, this is just kind of like a template. You're going to take a piece of string and lay it parallel to that cardboard, and then you're going to take another string going perpendicular, wrapping it around a couple of times. And then grab the parallel string from earlier and tie a really tight knot. Now cut through the loops of the strings and fluff it up a little bit and you have yourself a simple little pom-pom. Of course, with the Dollar Tree twine, you need to give it a little bit of TLC, so by combing it through, it really fluffs up the look. Then I glue the pom-poms to the picture frame so that it hides the cup hooks. So for the bottom of the picture frame, I'm going to keep it really simple because the heavier it is, the more it will tug on the top part of the magnet and it will just be a crashing mess. And so I keep it really simple by just gluing the Jenga blocks across the strip of cardboard. Also, I do glue in between each Jenga block as well just to make sure that it stays nice and straight and secure. On the back of this piece, I also add 3 pieces of magnets, and then on a plain cardboard strip, I also add 3 more pieces of magnet. Okay, so I'm all done with the bottom piece here, and to put everything together, I just take a picture and I place it right on top of the back piece with the magnet, and then I lay the front piece right on top, and it should adhere to itself with the magnets. And there you go, just hang it up on the wall and that is it. Now, one of my favorite things about these type of frames is that it's so easy to switch out the photos. You don't have to mess around with glass or pliers or anything else. Also, it's very simple. It doesn't take away from anything else in my home, but it does add an extra little touch. I just love the vibe of it, and yeah, I'm really happy. I mean, it's a Dollar Tree project. How can you not be happy? Anyways, if you guys like this tutorial, like, comment, all that stuff. If you're gonna try this out, remember to tag me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!